Hi guys, today I will discuss binary heap and heap sort. So binary heap is a kind of binary tree in which the elements in the roots and childs are arranged in a particular order. For example, there is a max heap. In our max heap, the elements at the root has a more value. See here 11 is more, its value is larger than 10 and 6, and the elements at the child level have a value lesser than that of parents. And other kind of heap is min heap. In min heap there is a reverse, that the parents are having the value which is less than child's. For example, 1 is less than 9 and 2, and here 9 is less than 10 and 11. So let's see an example. Is it max heap or not? If we see here that 9 is greater than 2 and 4, yeah, this tree is max heap. And then we go downside to 2, is it more than 10 and 11? No. So this is not an max heap. So now let us see how to make a program in order to make a binary tree and convert it into a max heap. So for this what we will do is, first we will store the binary tree in the form of array representation. I hope you may know this. And then first we will heapify our, which is the child tree, which is at the extreme right and extreme bottom. And after that we will heapify this tree, and after that we will go upside and heapify that tree. And in this order our whole array will be heapified, and in that form we will get a max heap. So let us see how to heapify. So first what you are gonna do is, first you should heapify the tree which is on the extreme bottom end, and in order to find the index of parent, you have to use this formula, parent index equals to n minus 1 by 2, where n is the index of last child. So our last child is 3, its index is 6. So if we will put 6 here, then we will get I equals to 6 minus 1 by 2, which gives us 2. 2 is the index of 4. And see here also it is the index of 4. So we will simply pass this I in P. P means parents. Means in this tree parent is I and I is 2. So we will run this program. We will get the heapify tree. So how this is going to do? First we will assume that parent has a large value. So we will take large as P, and after that we will find the left child. This formula I think you may know. Left child is 2p plus 1, right child is 2p plus 2. 2 into 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 1 gives us 5, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So this is the right child. And now if we see that if LC is less than S, and here A of large is less than A of LC, so you see that parent is less than this. Yeah, it is less than this. So now our index will be changed to large. The value of large will become LC. And now we will compare this large again with RC. So if we compare 6 and 3, then we get that 6 is larger. So this loop will means this if condition is not satisfied, and it is obvious that it will not be satisfied because 6 is the largest element in this whole binary tree. So you will get that our large have the value 5. So at 5 there is a large element, so we have to swap this along with the parent. So parent is P, which is 2, so you will swap 4 and 6, and then you will get here 6, and here you will get 4, and 6 will be as usual here only. So this is heapified, you get a max heap 6 4 3, and after that we will go to the other tree which is in the left side. So in this tree which is on the left side, what we will do is, first we will reduce this I to I minus minus in order to get I equals to 1. So here we get I equals to 1, and now in P we will pass this I equals to 1. In the same way this program will run, and here we will get the heapified tree. So instead of this 2 we will get 11, and instead of that 11 we will get 2. So it will be heapified, and then again our I will be reduced. So here it is heapified 11 10 2, and then 6 4 3, and then our I is reduced to 0. Again I minus minus, from 1 it will become 0. So again the loop will run, and here we will get 11 9 and 6. Okay, but in this process you see that now this is not a max heap. When we made this tree a heap which was a max heap, then this turned out to be different. you can see that here 9, then here 10, then here 2. So what we have to do is in the here we have to do a little modification. When we make a tree max heap, then we should also make a tree which is down to it as a max heap. So just simply add this statement: heapify A, S and large. So A is the array and in which the heap is stored, and S is the size, and large will be this. In this case large will be 1. So now this tree will be again heapified correctly. So we will get 10, 9, 2, which is our correct heap tree, then 6, 4, 3, and then 10, 11, 6. So this whole is heapified and our program is perfectly executed. So this is the way we can make a binary heap a max heap. Whether it is already a min heap, then also we can convert it into max heap. And for min heap, the terminology, the thing is different. Just you need to put a less than sign instead of greater than sign. I hope you may like this video. So thanks.